So we're gonna do this fire tonight. Got a makeshift fire pit with just some stones around it. We got our oasis this time up in the woods. So we're gonna use this gas starter log. What we did was we bought a gas log and just chopped it up. So we cut it into little small pieces. We're gonna put it in the middle of these two pieces of wood, light it, and then we're gonna stack the wood on top of it. And then when we do that, we're gonna see the fire grow really nicely, and then we're gonna do some marshmallows over the open fire tonight. So I hope you guys enjoy. So what we did was we put some wood around our little gas log. As you can see, we kind of stacked it up in like a little teepee. And you can see the wood's burning pretty good, so it's gonna be a good fire right there. That's gonna be nice. Gonna be a nice way to smoke some marshmallows. It's about 35 minutes into the fire. Going real nice air going around it. You can see that gas starter log did what it needed to do. You didn't even have to use the whole log, just use a little bit to get everything going, and the rest just take care of itself. Nice, pretty fire.